Morning, are you Landon McIntyre?
Yes, sir.
You're on 26CR 00016. You have an attorney?
No, I need one appointed to me, please.
Okay. Appoint to Office of Public Advocacy and then you fill out the form. Okay.
All right.
The grand jury of Cumberland County has returned an indictment charging you with possession of controlled substance, first degree, possession of drug paraphernalia, careless driving, and failure to use a seatbelt. You understand what those charges are?
Yes, sir.
Counselor, you acknowledge the identity of your client received that in the way formal reading arraignment, enter plea of not guilty, reserving all three trial motions.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sign a reciprocal discovery order requires the Commonwealth to give you information to prepare for your case. You could be here at 9 a.m. on April 13th for negotiations and 9 a.m. on April 23rd for your next court appearance. Both of them are conditioned to your bond, okay?
All right, thank you.
April Nedley. Caldwell versus April Nethery. 25CR 0072 for pretrial conference, 25CR 0073 for pretrial conference, 26CR 00011 for arraignment. You are April Nethery?
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Born in 1981.
Yes, sir.
Last 4 digits, social security number 5139.
Yes, sir.
The grand jury of Cumberland County has returned an indictment charging possession of controlled substance in the first degree, possession of controlled substance in the third degree, and possession of controlled substance not in the original container. Mr. Bailiff, you provide that. Counselor, you acknowledge the identity of your client received indictment and wait formal reading arraignment, enter plea of not guilty in 26CR 00011.
Yes, Your Honor.
What does the Commonwealth have in these cases?
We have several cases. If we just have the negotiation day on April 13th and the next motion day.
Okay, I'm signing a reciprocal discovery order that requires the Commonwealth to provide your attorney with information to prepare for your defense. You'll be here at 9 a.m. on April 13th for negotiation day and 9 a.m. on April 23rd for your next court date. You can remain free on your same bond, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, Your Honor.
yeah. James Scott, Commonwealth versus James Scott. This is 25CR 00018. Are you James Scott? Good morning. This is 25CR 00018. Were you born in 1985?
Yes, sir.
Last 4 digits, social security number 9033.
Yes, sir.
Probation revocation. What does the Commonwealth have to say?
Your Honor, this was before the court last month. She's on probation for 12 month sentence on drug paraphernalia, probated for 2 years. She got a new DUI on February 16th, 26. She went to probation parole, was positive for meth on February the 27th. She was referred to the SSC and they put her in outpatient treatment. And, so that's where we are on the case. I don't think the DUI has been finalized yet.
What county was the DUI in?
It was here. And I don't know if she's employed or not either.
She's done some babysitting, but no public
Work, so there's where we are.
Judge, I would ask to let her do the outpatient she's been referred to, from the SSC and also see what happens. She was arraigned on the 4th of this month. I'm not sure where they went from there in terms of whether they set a pretrial or whether she's had a pretrial since then or not.
What did she plead guilty to previously?
She pled guilty to possession of drug paraphernalia in this court.
To the misdemeanor?
Misdemeanor. Yeah. I would put her in the specialty court if it wasn't for the misdemeanor plea. They won't take her in there because it takes so long to get through. She probation will end before she could get through it probably. And I'm concerned that she's not got full-time employment myself.
They won't take anybody, how long can you probate someone, Mr. Mayor?
2 years. And this was, I can't remember how it was stated. It's been a policy for Greenville for quite some time, my understanding, that they're not taking misdemeanors. Rich Costello's not. Looks like she was placed.
Can the 2 year supervision period not be reset on misdemeanor testing?
I don't know that it can, to be honest with you. I know it can on a felony. Looks like she entered her plea July the 31st of 2025, so she's coming up on a year already.
I'm gonna ask her if she agrees to continue her probation for another 2 years from today. If you do, I'll refer you to drug court. You know, there's a couple of things that bother me, well, a lot of things bother me, but two of the things that bother me and like more than anything else, when I think people I deal with, is someone having a weapon, a deadly weapon, while they're on a convicted felon, and driving DUI when they're out. Because they run over somebody and kill. You know, I always wonder, is that my fault? Did I miss something? So I'm going to extend your probation for 2 years from today with your agreement. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to refer you to drug court. And they'll be meeting Thursday this week. If they accept you into drug court, then, and you agree to drug court, then we'll proceed with that. Okay, and drug court's not going to be easy, but you're going to have to get some structure in your life. You're going to have to get you a job and try to have a normal life. How old are you?
40 to 41, I think.
Okay, well, you can have a good long life out there. I know 41 seems old to you, but I got shoes older than that, okay? So, I will give you a shot on this. Don't let us down. Don't let the prosecutor, Commonwealth down. Don't let the court down, okay? So you need to meet, where can you take your,
Well, I need to get her information so we can do the drug court assessment, or then we can check with Mr. Murphy and see what to
okay,
do.
so you hang around, okay? And give the information to them.
Do we want to put this on next month's docket to see where?
Yeah, we'll put it on next month's docket, which is April the 23rd, just in case something bogus happens on it, okay? Yeah, Candace Simus. Commonwealth versus Candace Simus, 25 CR 00076. Are you Candace Simus? Is that how you
Yes, sir.
say your last name?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, were you born in 1985?
Yes, Your Honor.
Last four digits, social security number 7515. You're here for the purpose of arraignment. You're represented by counsel.
Yes,
You
Your
have a
Honor.
right to remain silent. The grand jury of Cumberland County has returned an indictment charging you with trafficking synthetic drugs, first degree, trafficking in marijuana, possession of marijuana, possession of drug paraphernalia, operating under the influence, driving too fast for conditions, and speeding. Do you understand what those charges are?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counselor, you acknowledge the identity of your client, receive the indictment, await formal reading and arraignment, enter plea not guilty, reserve all pretrial motions.
I do, Your Honor.
You'd appear at 9 a.m. on April 13th for negotiation day and April the 23rd for your next court appearance. Simus, both of those are conditions of your bond. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, thank you. Janessa Smith. Good morning. Are you Janessa Smith?
Yes, sir.
This is 23 CR 0000109. Were you born in 1989? The last four digits, social security 1768.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Says a motion for supervised probation.
Yes, Your Honor, she was administratively discharged in drug court. And if you want me to approach that and explain why, but it's kind of medical and addiction related, I don't want to discuss it open.
I'll accept your word for it.
Okay, and I just asked you to be placed on supervision.
Wait just a second. You think you can comply with? the
Yeah,
condition?
I'm still doing therapy and, two different kind of therapies. My father just passed away. So I'm having trouble, but I'm trying to stick with the therapy and stuff. Plus I have twin babies. I
You
just
sound
went
like
through
you got your
postpartum.
hands full.
Yeah.
So what you need to do is make sure that you don't do anything to stumble right now.
Yeah.
You know, people, losing a parent is one of the most difficult things in life. And of course, obviously, you got these children that you worry about too.
Yeah, I still
But
like.
you gotta hang in there for them. You understand what I'm saying? So people have a tendency to want to self-medicate.
Yeah.
And so you just need to, so meet with the probation and parole officer. And let's see if we need some kind of clinician or something to look at her. Have y'all got anybody?
There's SSC.
Yeah, we'll take a look at that. Meet with him there. I'll sign the order for supervision. Bernice Stearns, for sentence. I think so. Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you Bernice Stearns?
I am.
This is 25 CR 0068. Ms. Stearns, were you born in 1982?
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 0513.
Yes, sir.
You're here for the purpose of sentencing today. Have you had an opportunity to look at the precincts investigated for probation and parole?
Yes, sir.
Is it substantially correct?
Yes, sir.
Counselor, is there any reason why this lady should not be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor.
On plea of guilty possession of controlled substance, first degree for second offense, defendant shall receive 3 years probated for 5 years to be supervised. All right now?
Mhm. Yeah,
Is it going okay there?
It is. I graduate in like 2 weeks.
Well, good. And what's gonna happen then when she graduates?
He's on regular supervision.
Okay, talk with the probation parole officer. Good luck to you. Keep working hard, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah. Cody Stinson. Sentencing. Cody Stinson. Cody Stinson. Mr. Stockton.
I understand is he's still in U of L hospital and I don't say anything about his condition in public, but I don't say it's
I
dim.
think he's legitimately not here today.
That's correct.
We'll continue this case for sentencing till April 23rd. It's another month. Brian Thompson. Brian Thompson. Brian Thompson. Does anybody know anything about Brian Thompson?
No, he's got a new felony. I don't know if he's incarcerated or not. We should have a hold on him if he's not, if he's been revocation concerned.
Did y'all see if you can find out where Brian Thompson is? Issue a bench warrant, Brian Thompson. If we find out he's incarcerated, we can pull it. Just continue to look for him. Commonwealth versus Barry Wilson. Larry Wilson. Barry Wilson.
He also has a new felony in Clinton County, 26 CR
He's
20.
at Clinton County Jail, or he was, last time I was there.
We're fixing to go over to the Clinton County Jail in a few minutes. Maybe we can pull him out. Gregory Wilson. 26 CR 00010 Commonwealth versus Gregory Wilson. I'm Gregory Wilson.
Yes, sir.
You're born in 1985.
Yes, sir.
For the last four, is your social security number. Last four digits of your social security.
3736.
Okay, you're here on information. The information that you entered into, in lieu of going to the matter going to the grand jury states that you're charged with the offense of possession of controlled substance, first degree hydrocodone. Do you agree for this case to proceed under information?
Yeah.
Is this a felony plea here or a pretrial diversion? The motion been tendered says you wish to enter a plea today. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you currently under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
No, sir.
Is this plea freely and voluntarily given?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same person named in what is now 26 CR 00010?
Yes.
That you, and you discussed this matter with your attorney, are you satisfied with his advice?
Yes.
Is your judgment impaired today anyway?
No.
And review the evidence Commonwealth has against you, believe you're fully informed about your case.
Yes, sir.
You understand that you do not have to enter a guilty plea. You have certain rights under the Kentucky and United States Constitution. Before I can accept the plea, I need to know that you understand those rights. You have a right not to testify against yourself. No one can make you say that. Right to speedy trial by jury, the right to be represented by counsel at your trial, the right to confront and cross-examine all witnesses called to testify against you, the right to produce evidence, the right to call witnesses in your favor, the right to appeal this matter to higher court if you lose, the right to require the Commonwealth to prove on a reasonable doubt that you're guilty charged against you. Understand it by him to your guilty today. Give up all those rights. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now, I may consider the Commonwealth's recommendation, but I may apply my own dissent to provide law. I don't have to accept the recommendation. In the event that I do not accept the recommendation and decide to impose a harsher sentence, you have the right to withdraw your plea of guilty and proceed to trial. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to ask some qualifying questions here. Have you previously been diverted in the last 5 years?
No.
Have you felonies in the last 10 years?
No.
Are you currently on probation?
No.
You understand if you fully complete the diversion program, the charge will be dismissed pre-trial diversion, you have your record expunged. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
But if you do not fully complete the program, you're brought back before me and it's revoked, then you'll be sentenced as a convicted felon that can be used against you in the future. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hunley, what is the Commonwealth's recommendation?
Upon plea of guilty to possession of a controlled substance, first degree, namely hydrocodone, the defendant shall receive a sentence of 2 years, pre-trial diverted for 3 years. The diversion is to be supervised. The defendant shall be assessed and follow all recommendations of the social service clinician, shall receive credit for time served, shall obtain gainful employment or do a minimum of 30 hours community service per week until employment is gained, and agrees that all evidence shall be disposed of in a manner consistent with the laws of the Commonwealth.
You have a copy of this.
I believe so.
I just want to make sure. Is that what your understanding of the recommendation of the Commonwealth is?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty because you committed the acts charged in the indictment?
Yes, sir.
Or information in this case? Knowing your constitutional rights to explain to us is still your desire to proceed with your guilty plea and allow the court to fix your punishment.
Yes.
Is that your signature on the agreement?
Yes, sir.
I'll accept the agreement, and sign the diversion order. You need to meet with a probation and parole officer. Okay, what's the court cost? $190. $190. You need some time to pay that?
I've got, I think 250 that was on my bond. Can I just take it out of that? Pay it today?
Sure can. You have a little to spare. Go to Walmart.
I'll give that to my next
Yeah.
deal.
Oh, you got another deal?
It's same as with this.
That's not,
Thank you.
Mr. Hunley, that's almost too much information.
I'm sorry.
That was almost too much information, wasn't it?
Well, sometimes it just slips out, Judge.
Okay, let's go back to Jerry Compton. Mr. Cross is back.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Como versus Jerry Compton, 26 CR 0006. Are you Jerry Compton?
Sure.
Good morning. On your born in 1973.
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 4287.
Yes, sir.
What does the Commonwealth have to say in this case?
Sorry.
No problem.
I guess Mr. Cross, the last time I heard was requesting to see if there's video.
Your Honor, it's possible there's a video by one of these officers and we can review that, and see if
What is the charge?
It's a possession case, Your Honor.
Commonwealth's made an offer. We just think it's a potential extension of stop case. So before we make a final decision, we'd like to be sure.
I'd say for